Here it is. Here we have a flying seagull gliding in the air. That's right. A flying seagull. Here it is. A flying seagull. That's right. Here it is. A flying seagull. Still following that flying seagull. Where'd it go? Here it is. A flying seagull. That's right. Then it went for, whoa, I thought it was gonna. Here it is. A flying seagull. That's right. A flying seagull. Here it is. Here you have it. A flying seagull. If that's what it was, that looked like a seagull. Now it's on top of the building. There you have it. A flying seagull. Like us on YouTube. And subscribe. A flying seagull. If that's what it was. Whoa! I guess it's hunting for food. Look like he might have found something. He did found something. A piece of bread. Whoa! Here it is. A flying seagull. Going, and gone. Here we have a crow sitting on top of the tree. Whoa, there it goes. A flying seagull. Here it is, and whoa, look at all the birds flying around. Whoa, they're splitting up. Here we have the other birds flying by. Whoa, looks like we got some birds hanging on the, sitting on the power line. Whoa, there they go. Here it is. The other birds, the sparrows. There you have it. The sparrows. Like us on YouTube. Whoa! A flying crow. Whoa! Two crows hanging on the building, sitting on the building. Whoa! Look like Look like I found another crow. I wonder what they were after. Something they found? There you have it. The crows. Any more crows flying by? Whoa. Here's some other birds, and here they are, sitting on the power lines. There you have it. Up, here it comes. A flying seagull. Look like it's coming back, but don't look like it's coming back. Look like it's flying away instead of coming back. Here it is. A flying seagull. That's right. A flying seagull. There you have it. A flying seagull. Like us on YouTube and subscribe. That's right. A flying seagull. And the other birds flying by. Here it is. The birds and the crows. Where did that crow go? The birds. Like us on YouTube and subscribe. A flying seagulls and the birds. That sound like a flying crow. Like us on YouTube. There it was, on the pole, sitting on a pole. A crow sitting on a pole. Like us on YouTube and subscribe. Up, where did that crow go? Missed it. Losing my focus here. Like us on YouTube and subscribe. A flying seagull. That's right. A flying seagull. Like us on YouTube and subscribe.